Buckle up! The revolution in security tech has arrived. Traditional security measures just won't cut it anymore. Drones and robotics provide unmatched surveillance capabilities, monitoring high-risk areas with precision, speed, and efficiency. Take a look at real-world applications from banking institutions to national security operations. Drones and robotics enhance situational awareness, cut costs, and improve response times. Whether it's securing infrastructure or assisting first responders, these technologies are revolutionizing protection. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared imaging, and AI-driven threat detection, drones and robotics can identify and neutralize threats before they escalate. But even the most advanced systems need cybersecurity. Trojan Horse Security specializes in drone and robotics penetration testing, ensuring these systems are protected from hackers and cybercriminals. Our services include penetration testing and security assessments, risk assessment, aerial risk assessment, secure and clean backup, quick patching, and much more. We're here for all industries and company sizes, from Fortune 500s to SMEs. Trojan Horse Security. Defend, protect, prevail. The future of security is here. Are you ready? Contact Trojan Horse Security today. Visit www.trojanhorsesecurity.com or call 202-507-5773.